In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and a picture side by side in Microsoft Word. This is a very useful technique when you want to create clean, professional layouts for reports, brochures, or presentations. Placing text and images next to each other helps improve readability and makes your document more visually appealing. To get started, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the layout to appear. Begin by inserting your image. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and choose the image you want to use from your computer. Once the image appears in your document, click on it to activate the Picture Format tab. Next, you'll need to change how the image interacts with text. By default, images are inserted in line with text, which makes side-by-side placement difficult. To fix this, click on the Wrap Text option in the Picture Format tab. Choose a setting like Square or Tight. This allows text to flow around the image and gives you more flexibility in positioning. After applying text wrapping, click and drag the image to one side of the page, either left or right, depending on your preference. Once the image is positioned, you can start typing your text. The text will automatically align beside the image, creating that side-by-side layout. If you want more control and a cleaner structure, you can use a table. Go to the Insert tab and select Table. Then choose a one-row, two-column layout. Place your image in one column and your text in the other. This method keeps everything perfectly aligned and prevents elements from shifting unexpectedly. You can also remove the table borders later to make the layout look seamless. To refine your design, adjust the size of the image by dragging its corners and format your text using alignment and spacing options. Keeping consistent spacing between the text and image will make your document look more balanced and professional. With these simple steps, you can easily place text and images side by side in Microsoft Word, whether you're using text wrapping or a table for better control. This technique is widely used to create polished and visually engaging documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.